In this video, we look at some more problems on factoring trinomials, a little bit more advanced than the ones from the earlier video. These are some problems that you might encounter in a more advanced course. Say you're taking calculus, maybe you're computing a derivative involving the product rule, and you work out your answer, and you have it in terms of a sum or so of polynomial or rational expressions, and the answer in the book doesn't match yours. They have it in factored form, say. So in order to check yourself, you try to write your answer in factored form. Those types of problems. So pause the video and see if you can work these out, and then I'll be back. Okay, let's look at the first one here. So notice we have a plus here. So even though here we have a product, it's not completely factored out because we have a plus here. So we have to look at this as a whole expression, and we're going to use kind of grouping. We're going to group this one and this one together. So what do we have in common here? Well, we have a 2x plus 1 here and a 2x plus 1 here. This is to the second power and this is to the first power. So we can factor out a factor of 2x plus 1. Then I put a brackets here. See, what do we have in the inside here? We have a 2x plus 1 here left over. The 5 is still there. I didn't take out the 5, so that still multiplies that factor. So put the 5 there. Instead of 2x to the 2x plus 1 to the second power, rather it's 2x plus 1 to the first. And obviously the exponent is understood, so I don't have to put it in there. And then this is a plus then. Took out the 2x plus 1 from this one, so all I have here is the 5x minus 6. Two x plus 1's gone, and then the 2 and the 2 multiply to give you 4. So then it's just a matter of simplifying here. We have 2x plus 1. And I just put parentheses here, so I'm going to simplify this at 5, multiplying through here, 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 1 is 5. And then in the other product, I have 4 times 5x, multiplying through there, that's 20x. Four times minus 6 is a minus 24. If you write this, 2x plus 1. And then it's just a matter of combining terms over here. We have a 10x and a 20x is 30x. 5 minus 24 minus 19. And this is your factored form. We'll go ahead and clear this out. So again, we have a plus sign, and over here the left side and the right side are factored out, but again, we have to completely factor out the whole thing. So let's look at the common factors. I have an x plus 3 here in this expression, this part of the problem, and an x plus 3 to the second. So I take out the highest power that I can take out. Well, because this is a 1, this is a 2. I can't take out a 2. So I take out x plus 3. That comes out. Now what else? Okay, this one has a factor of x minus 2 to the third power. This one over here has an x minus 2 to the second power. So I can take out x minus 2. So the highest power I can go is a 2 because this one has 3 and this one has 2. Can't take out a 3 because this one doesn't have enough. So this one is a 2. Then if I take those factors out, what do I have left inside? So took out x plus 3, so that one's gone. And I took 2 factors of x minus 2. This one has 3, so there's one left over. We put x minus 2. That's to the first power. That's understood. I don't have to write the exponent. The 2 still stays there. And then a plus here. So I took out one factor of x plus 3. This one has 2, so I have 1 left over. X plus 3 to the first is left over. I took out the x minus 2 to the second, so this one canceled out completely. Came out, and the 3 is still there. 3 multiplies that. So this is equal to then, have an x plus 3, x minus 2 to the second power. And then I'll put parentheses now since we're getting down to the end here. So this is going to give me a 2x multiplied by 2. 2 times x minus 2 is 2x minus 4 plus, this one I multiplied by 3, so that'll give me a 3x. Then 3 times 3 is 9, so this will be 9. Okay, you got 2x minus 4 plus 3x plus 9. So everything stays the same over here. It's still going to be x plus 3. And x minus 2 squared. And then we have 2x plus 3x here. We can combine the x terms, that's a 5x. And then a minus 4 to 9 is a plus 5. Remember, always factor completely. 5x plus 5, a factor of 5 in common. So I'm going to factor out a 5 out of that one. Take the 5 out of here. I just put it out in front. Everything else stays the same other than that last term, so this is still going to be x plus 3, x minus 2, that's to the second. And of course in this one, 5x plus 5, I factored out the 5. So that left me with a 1x or just an x. Don't have to put the 1 in there. 5 times 1 is 5, so when I take out the 5, the 1 remains. So there we have it. Factorization is 5. X plus 3, x minus 2 to the second, and x plus 1. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.